So we are going to click on the zoom tool, right click and fit all, and then let's click on the pointer tool, and we are going to select in here this rectangle tool. We are going to change that tool to the rounded rectangle. Then we are going to create a rectangle 220 pixels times 36. Now I am getting again those dimensions because I already measure the dimension from here to here. Okay, so I am just going to draw a rectangle, and you can notice the dimensions down there, 220 right there, and then the height will be 36. There we are. Next we are going to click on this yellow square, and we are going to click in there and move it a little bit to the left. There you are. Next we are going to change the color. Let's click in there and click on solid, then gradient, linear. We are going to click again in here and click on this icon. Next you are going to probably select 999, and we are going to change this color to white. Probably we are going to select the CCC. That will be fine. Next we are going to click on filters and shadow and glow, then inner shadow, and we are going to play around with this shadow. First of all, we are going to change the angle to probably 323, and then we are going to reduce to 2 right here and to 2 down here, and then we are going to increase the opacity to 85. There we are. I guess that will be fine. Let me click outside and change the canvas color. Click in there. Then we are going to click on that icon and Ctrl C, then Ctrl V. We are going to move it down, the copy. Let me click on the zoom tool and click zoom. Now I am just going to click on the pointer tool because I am going to change the canvas color. Click on the white area and click on the red color because I will need to move all this in here to the top part, so you can have this image on the same level as the social icons. As you can see, the same level, they are going to be touching at the same level. Clicking here and delete. Then I am just going to move back to the left. Right there, we are just going to move the images together. There we are, and we are going to do the same on this one. Click down below. Now I am using the arrows inside my keyboard, okay? Right there, and move to the left. There we are. Click on the zoom tool, right click and fit all. Then we are going to go to the pointer tool and change the color inside this search bar. Click on the linear wheel right here, and the color we are going to increase the intensity right there, and then the intensity in here right there. Finally, we are going to create the buttons in here and click on the zoom tool, and you are going to zoom in. Then you are going to click pointer tool and then the rounded rectangle. You are going to draw a rectangle, and the height will be 36, and in this case the width will be 50. 36 and 50. Then you are going to click on this yellow icon, this image in here, and move it to the left. Then click on the image, and with your arrows you are going to move it down. There you are, probably a little bit up, and we are going to change the colors. Click on this gray area and dark a little bit. There we are, and dark this side a little bit more. Next we are going to click on the text tool and write down in here go, and then the exclamation mark. We are going to click on the pointer tool. As you can see, my friends, all this, it is going to be a long process, and right now I am just reducing the font size while I am selecting that text. Let me move it down here, and again probably 22, and change the font style to Arial. There we are. Next I am just going to make a full selection in here, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Move it down, and right there And finally, click on the image right there and change the color. Let's click in there, click on green, and then click on this green. Probably change the color to this one. There you are. Now click on the zoom tool, right click, fit all, right click again, magnification 100, going back and click outside, and then the canvas will be this one, transparent button. There you are. The next step, of course, will be saving all this work inside a file. Let's click on File and Save As, and you can give any name. In this case, I am just going to give header and then dash and raw in capital letters, because in that way I will be saving this image with all the changes, so I can open that image anytime and do as many modifications as I want. Click Save, and as you can see, I can select anything I want. I am just going to increase the intensity on this bottom search bar. Click in there, a little bit more. There you are. That will be fine. And probably decrease the intensity in here. Click in here, decrease, click OK, and up here, decrease. Click OK, and there we are. Then after you finish all that, click on second up and PNG 8. We are going to make a selection probably on PNG 32, and that will be fine. Then click on File and Export. You are going to save this image as header. Let's click on header and click Save. You are going to save this image inside your folder Images, and that will be inside your CMS Teachings folder. Click in there. Let me make sure that I am in there, CMS Teachings, Images, Header, and click Save. There we are. For right now, my friends, we have finished, and let's move on.